Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely Citroen Berlingo van. We've got a few of these on stock at the moment, quite popular vans. This one is a 2018 on a 68 plate, finished in white. Obviously fantastic colour, represents any business very, very well. Inside of these we get the benefit of 3 seats. So you get a nice bench style seat on the side though. We've got under seat storage as well, individual seat for driver. On there we've got cruise control, we've got speed limiter, we've got all our volume and media controls supplied with both keys. We've got park folding mirrors, electric windows, we've got the lock for the rear, and as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 40,600 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got the main screen on this one, so specification is fantastic. So full phone connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, mirror link, and then obviously your Bluetooth as well. The radio is a full DAB, so you get all the extended channels. You've got your car settings there, you've got satellite navigation using the mirror link through your USB. We've got climate control with air conditioning, electric parking brake, traction control, 5-speed manual box. We've got a 12-volt power outlet found just down there. We have got the books and paperwork with it. My colleague's checking it in as we speak. We've got 2 service stamps with the car, so if you flick through the photographs, you'll see both services there. We're riding on genuine Citroen wheel trims, which is a nice thing to see. Looking through to the back, fully ply lined, metal bulkhead. We've got plastics to the uppers. A very, very tidy van indeed. So looking at the actual ply lining, that's all in nice order. Looking at the plastic entryway, that's in nice condition as well. We've got a side entry door on this one too, which is a nice thing to have. Rear parking sensors, side entry, obviously load through as well. What a lovely thing. So if you'd like any further information, please do get in touch. Like I said, we have got a few of these in stock, so if you're just looking to renew your fleet, or if this one isn't the one for you, we have got some others on stock in various different colours. So anything further, give us a call, 01942 231123. Email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.